The ladder stanchion anchor, manufactured by FallTech, is a robust fall protection product designed for permanent installation on fixed ladders, commonly found in commercial and industrial settings. This anchoring system comprises a vertical post securely attached to the ladder's top rungs, featuring an anchor point for connecting a self-retracting lifeline. Available in two heights, 5 feet and 10 feet, the ladder stanchion anchor is crafted from galvanized steel and powder-coated for resistance against corrosion. Its compliance with OSHA's standards for general industry walking working surfaces and fall protection enhances its safety features. Easy installation by a single person further adds to its practicality, making it a reliable choice for those seeking effective fall protection on fixed ladders of varying heights. The Cobra Walldriller Plus stands out as a high-performance drywall anchor, offering exceptional strength and durability with its bi-material construction. Featuring a reinforced nylon body and an acetal expander, its 3 expandable legs provide up to 2 times the holding power compared to standard anchors. With a fine centered point and sharp profile thread, it facilitates easy installation while ensuring a secure grip behind the drywall. Available in various sizes, this anchor requires no pre-drilling, making it versatile for hanging shelves, mirrors, and heavy items in both standard and humid environments. The Werner Fall Protection R3 anchor stands out as a reliable and versatile fall protection solution with its rapid, rigid, and reusable design. Its tri-wedge construction ensures a strong and secure connection, meeting stringent safety standards. With one-handed installation and removal, it provides ease of use for both professionals and DIY users. Its certification to ANSI and OSHA standards enhances its credibility, making it suitable for various applications, including construction, roofing, and maintenance. When selecting a fall protection anchor, considering factors such as the application type and weight capacity is crucial for ensuring safety and efficiency. The Screw It Again 2 to 10 mm wood anchor from Screwfix provides a convenient and effective solution for repairing stripped or damaged wood screw holes. With its segmented design and easy installation process, it offers a quick and reliable method for restoring grip to existing holes. The range of available segment sizes ensures versatility for various hole diameters, and the reusable nature of the anchor adds to its practicality. While it may not be suitable for creating new holes in solid wood, it excels at efficiently addressing the common issue of stripped holes. Users should be mindful of load considerations and explore alternative anchors for larger holes or heavier loads. The Hilti HVU2 adhesive capsule stands out as a versatile and reliable solution for anchoring in concrete, offering features like a resilient soft foil capsule, suitability for various concrete conditions, seismic qualification, and a fast curing time of 5 minutes. Its innovative safe set system ensures automatic hole cleaning for optimal performance, making it an efficient choice for a wide range of applications such as steel structures, guardrails, and industrial equipment. The capsule's unbreakable design enhances safety, and its compatibility with different installation tools adds to its versatility, making it a valuable asset for contractors seeking a high-performance anchoring solution. The CELO Self-drilling plug TPL offers a convenient and efficient solution for fixing elements in plasterboard without the need for pre-drilling. Crafted from high-quality glass fiber reinforced nylon, the plug exhibits resilience against aging, weather, and UV radiation, ensuring long-term durability. With compatibility for plasterboard thicknesses ranging from 9 to 15 mm and the ability to secure elements up to 15 mm thick, it provides versatility for various applications. The plug, accompanied by a 3.7 by 50 mm screw with a PZ2 or PZ3 head, guarantees a quick and secure fixing process. Whether for DIY projects or professional applications, the CELO TPL plug stands out as a reliable and user-friendly choice. The KEIL Undercut Anchor stands out as a sophisticated and reliable fixing system, offering architects and builders an innovative solution for facade panel attachment. Its concealed fixing, high load capacity, stress-free attachment, and quick installation make it a preferred choice for achieving both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity in ventilated cladding applications. The emphasis on even tension distribution and durability through quality materials further enhances its suitability for diverse facade materials and weather conditions. The KEIL Undercut Anchor represents a smart and efficient approach to achieving secure, invisible, and visually pleasing facade installations. The KCM MD cast-in anchors stand out as efficient and versatile fasteners in construction, offering a streamlined installation process. Their pre-assembled design with self-tapping screws ensures quick and easy attachment to metal decks, eliminating the hassle of loose components. With applications ranging from suspended ceilings to various systems like HVAC and fire sprinklers, KCM MD anchors prove adaptable and time-efficient. The push-to-connect technology enhances positioning before concrete pouring, contributing to overall productivity. Additionally, their fire resistance, often ICCES ESR 4145 approved, underscores their reliability in meeting safety standards, making them a valuable choice for diverse construction needs. The RollPlug TFX8ST stands out as a versatile screw-in facade fixing designed for various external thermal insulation composite systems. Its integrated insulation cap not only facilitates accurate countersunk settings, creating a smooth surface for rendering, but also enhances thermal performance by reducing thermal bridging. The unique sleeve compression zone ensures secure installation, making it suitable for different substrates like concrete, brick, and blockwork. With features like simple countersunk installation, reduced thermal bridging, and high load-bearing capacity, TFX8ST proves to be a reliable choice. Its pre-assembled elements save time and labor during installation, making it an ideal solution for builders and contractors seeking efficient and high-quality facade fixings. The Fischer BauBot represents a revolutionary advancement in the construction industry, functioning as a fully automated fastening robot. With capabilities such as automated drilling and anchor setting, the BauBot excels in precision, particularly in challenging locations. Its integration with building information modeling software ensures meticulous planning and execution, contributing to optimal workflow and minimizing the need for rework. Equipped with a dust extraction system and safety features like collision avoidance sensors and emergency stop buttons, the BauBot prioritizes a clean and safe working environment. The benefits include heightened productivity, improved quality, enhanced worker safety, and potential long-term reductions in labor costs, marking the BauBot as a transformative force in construction automation. The Hilti HST3 wedge anchor stands out as a high-performance and versatile solution for safety-critical applications in both cracked and uncracked concrete. Crafted from zinc-plated carbon steel, this wedge anchor excels in load-bearing capacity, catering to projects with intricate geometrical requirements. Its optimized wedge design with an increased undercut percentage ensures superior holding power and heightened safety levels. Offering flexibility with 2 embedment depths, the HST3 accommodates diverse applications and material thicknesses. Notably, it allows for up to 25% smaller edge and spacing distances, optimizing material usage and potentially reducing costs. With streamlined installation, no hole cleaning required for sizes M8 to M20 and compatibility with Hilti's adaptive torque tool, the HST3 ensures efficiency in the construction process. Gripit Blue Plasterboard fixings redefine the paradigm for anchoring heavy loads in drywall, boasting an unparalleled weight capacity of up to 225 kilograms per fixing, with a safe working load of 113 kg. Offering a distinctive 3-way gripping system that adapts to plasterboard thickness, ranging from 9.5 mm to 15 mm. These fixings eliminate the need for traditional studwork or noggins, providing a cost-effective and time-efficient alternative. Notably, their removability and reusability simplify relocation without causing damage to the plasterboard, and the straightforward installation process involves drilling a hole, inserting the Gripit blue, expanding the wings by tapping the collar, and securing with the bolt. Ideal for mounting substantial items like kitchen cabinets, TVs, water heaters, boilers, shelving, and bathroom fixtures. These fixings represent a versatile and robust solution for plasterboard applications. The Cobra Xpress is a user-friendly picture hanging hook designed for easy installation without the need for tools. Its key feature is the tool-free installation, allowing users to push the hook into the wall with one hand, providing convenient and quick hanging. Despite its simplicity, the Xpress offers a strong hold with 2 anchoring points, capable of supporting up to 40 pounds in the small size and more in larger sizes. Additionally, its removable and reusable design allows for easy relocation without causing damage to the wall. With available sizes catering to different weight capacities and object sizes, the Cobra Xpress stands out as a versatile and practical solution for hanging pictures, mirrors, and other lightweight items on walls. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.